Muli po maraming salamat sa pagpiligsakay ninyo sa President Air. Magandang tanghali.
may lalabas. Ay. Someone's pressing. Finally going home. My 3 luggages. Yeah. Pero ito, we're going. Ano, sa gitna na tayo? Gonna miss you. Want to go back. Gonna miss this Shimending. Gonna miss you. Time check. It's 2:56. This is the place we wanted naman. So it's safe to walk going to the bus station or bus pick-up load. We still have time. Maaga lang tayo talaga. At we can wait. Mas early tayo dun sa bus. Eh, ba't hindi umuulan or umaambon? Sa fine weather, umaano. May hangin. Okay, let's go. Exit 6. Pero sa exit 2 tayo pupunta. Ito ang ating pick-up point for the bus 1961A going to the airport. Sobrang heavy lang nito. Siya dalawa. So mahirap na. Hindi siya sanay. So ako na lang, sacrifice. Okay. I miss you. Rainbow. Rainbow sign. Gonna miss you. Dito na tayo tumawid. Dami pa rin bumabiyahe in the morning. Ayun o. We're crossing the intersection here in Shimending. Ay, we'll transfer there. Let's wait.
Galing eh. No smoking.
Let me see. Oh my gosh, tatawid na naman. Let's go push. Miss you. Malamig pero nagadak na ang pawis ko. Nakatamat na ang aking alarm. Okay, 4:30 ang bus. Ang first schedule going to the airport. So we're 1.5 hour early. So ops lang. Dito yan, Princetetsu. Babaybayin lang natin ng konti. Going. Ito yung exit 2, pinaka-landmark. Pero sa next waiting area pa tayo. 11 na ano, Hello Kitty. Marami din akong hindi nagawa from my list. Pero it's a sign that I'm going back. I'm going back here. I feel second home. Kahit everyday na naliligaw ako or kami. Pantay ang brakes. Kaya medyo tayo. Sumasablay ang aking turning ng ating parang this happened already in my subconscious mind. Yeah. Parang this happens. Okay, let's go. Buti na lang may doon. May bench while waiting. So parang tayo yung unang-una there. Eto. After the stoplight, doon ang waiting area. Okay, that corner behind the ano ba? Pero dun pala tayo. Kasi telephone booth to. Then there. Ayan, waiting bench. Let's wait here. Bakit hindi siya nag-ooperate? Is it because mamaya pa ang start? Pero sana na lang nag-ooperate yung light niya. Is it automatic? Hindi pa nag-start. Para notify sila na may tao na dito. Okay. Galing. Ito. Sabi. Google Translate. Ayun. Please press when waiting. There. Diba? Galing. Bus is here. Oh. How about our luggage? Accept cash. Sabihin mo. Joey, mapupush yan din sa loob. Dapat dito sa bukana ka lang. Yeah. Finally. Dito. Ay, wag naman. Diyan daanan yan eh. Ano ba ba? The entrance. Yung na ako dyan. Oo. Pwede ba? Ako mauna? Declaration. So, let's go. Tapos si Joey. Card type entry, exit permit, passport. On the left column. Please have your dahil nang tinakbo ko sa'yo, kita na iwan doon. Okay. Almost kalahati na yung lakad natin. Buti na lang yung nakilala natin yung nandoon. Pero hindi naman nila dadamputin basta to. Okay. Let's head out to the wrapping area para sa luggages natin. Okay. So, first back there. Hindi tayo. What?
16.
Okay. Skin. Yan, one by one. One by one. 20 allowed na.
6.
16, 14. 14, mga 15.
Kunyari po, bag, tapos ito.
Check-in naman daw.
Hindi ko ata pwede check-in pang kasi ito yung...
Kaya nga together sila. No, pwede siya. Kahit yan, pwede yan. Check-in. Hindi siya hand carry. Alam mo ba purpose niyan? Mali. Need to drop the bags first. Oh. Okay, that cost 200. And this one 200. NTD. Next stop. Need to drop off my luggages. Careful. Hanapin natin yung ating airline. Yan, nakapila na pala siya. Joey, ito nakapila na sila. Dito pa rin tayo. Waiting for siya mag-open. Tanghali na sila. Ayan, tagal ng pila. Here, ang gusto ng area. Oh, ayan, please. Ay, hindi. Ito. First divider. Meron pa nito sa loob. Sana meron pang storage sa loob. Nakabili. Nakalaki. Ay, dami pang sarado. Dito na lang. Yung mga balis lang. Cheese double whopper. Sarap. What is this? Chicken fries. Dadamputin pala. And what's taro pie? What's this? Oh, ouch. Hot. And rice. Let's try this. What? Okay. 2, 4, 5. Do you have paper bag? What? For all this. Ay, wait. Another one. How much?
我一杯热咖啡，热美式。
30? 40? Mm-hmm. Okay. Gusto na yung burger. Kailangan ng video. Apple pie. Okay. Americano. Yung price.
Cebu. Ano ka ba naman?
Sabi nga lang nito. Yung pelong na yun. Tama ba to? 15.5?
Oh, dito sa 16.
Hindi, ito yung 16.
Ah, tama. 8 saka 6 eh.
Ah, 16.5. Pwede. Kasi i-call tayo. Okay, let's see. 15 pounds. Okay. Kasi they will detect kung meron something going to our boarding area. How much did you man on? This is the gate. Wala pa masyado. Oh, nag-iikot pa sila. Kaya wala pa sila dito. Let's go the filling station. What? Saan natin? Malamig.
Yeah, this one is special in the airport. This one is special one. Ay, balat.
Gift for you. Waiting to fly. Pero mystery one. Ang ganda ng araw.